How many of you all are out there, especially the women, in your cars, and you're trying to hold a Kleenex box, your purse, maybe a pen, and it's all over the passenger seat, and you got to clean it up to let somebody else ride with you, and why not put it in one place? I have a product here I thought was really interesting, and I thought it was so cool. And this is a car pocket. So what you do, this is how it looks. If you're sitting in your car, this is the side you're going to see. This is the back. This is the side you're going to see. And all you do is you stretch it out between your two seats. This will go behind your seat. Hook it in. So now it's hanging. And then you take this little burger and you stick it underneath your console. Now, you can put a box of Kleenex. You can put your pens in there. It has a little pocket for your sunglasses, so you know where everything is at, and you are very, very clean about it. And not everything's in your front seat. Your pens aren't, whatever. And if you have some important papers that you got to carry, you can stick them in here. And you're going to go take care of something, put it in here, and then go off and do whatever you have to do. And then you just reach back, take it out, because it's right there. It's right there between your seats. You just grab it and go. That's what I like about this. No matter what, you're going to have your car back into the shape you want it. Especially you ladies, if you have your purse and everything is all over the front seat, I am one to say that I have. When I went anywhere, I made sure I had a pen. I made sure I had a box of tissues in my car. Paperwork is all over the front seat. And then when people would get in my car, I'd have to clean out the front seat and put my important papers in the back seat. And then when I get to where I'm going, I got to go to the back seat to get the important papers and then go on. You don't have to do that anymore. You can just go to your pouch and get what you need and then go on. You don't have to worry about anything else. You're set. So that's why I said the organizer. This is it. Really nice, really sturdy, very sturdy, very sturdy. In the pocket, really nice. I can put my whole hand in there. But like I said, it stretches out like this. It sits between the cars. I love this one. This one is so nice. I'm sticking it in my van. It's really nice. It's can you see the material? Really nice. Very, very sturdy. So if you like the video, subscribe down below, leave me a comment, and I'll talk to you.